Welcome back to Lordhair. Today's video is all about the Indian human hair lace front wig. This unit is made with 100% human hair and it's in our natural color. This is a stock wig, meaning that it is available to you immediately after purchase, and it comes anywhere between 10 and 24 inches, so we are confident that you will find the perfect one for you. The front is about 3 to 4 inches of lace, and once applied to the scalp is made to blend in with your natural skin tone. And the base is constructed with lace in the front and lace in the back, as well as combs and an adjustable strap material on the side so that it securely adjusts to your specific head shape, and it is very durable and breathable once placed on the scalp. And you can visit us at www.lordhair.com or give us a call at 86532-808-28255. You can also email us at support@lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.